In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency when adding expenses in Expensify. This is really useful if you travel, work with international clients, or simply need to record expenses in a currency that's different from your default one. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, open your web browser and go to the Expensify website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your expenses. Once the page loads and you're on the main dashboard, take a second to let everything finish loading, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. Next, look at the left-hand side of the screen where the sidebar is. Just below this sidebar, you'll see an icon you can click to start creating a new expense. This might look like a plus sign or a button for adding something new. Go ahead and click that icon to begin adding a new expense. After clicking, you'll be given a couple of options for how to add your expense. One option is usually to scan a receipt, but for changing the currency, it's much easier to use the manual entry method. So choose the option labeled Manual. This will open a form where you can type in all the details of your expense. On the manual expense screen, you'll see fields like the amount, merchant, category, and date. Near the amount field, you should notice a currency symbol, such as a dollar sign or another currency, depending on your default settings. Right next to that symbol, there's a small arrow. Click on the arrow beside the currency symbol to open the currency selection menu. Once you click the arrow, a list of available currencies will appear. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar, if there is one, to find the currency you want to use for this particular expense. When you see your preferred currency, simply click on it. Expensify will update the expense form so that the amount you enter is now recorded in that selected currency. From here, you can continue filling in the rest of your expense details and save it as usual. And that's all you need to do to change the currency when adding expenses in Expensify.